हाँ, लिस्टिंग SIMLIST 1009 पूरी हो गई है और भुगतान सफलतापूर्वक आपके खाते में भेज दिया गया है।
जी, आपका बहुत-बहुत धन्यवाद। Over 30% of farmers can't tap into digital marketplaces because they lack smartphone, reliable internet, or the digital skill required, so they are stuck selling to expeditive local mandis. We are changing the game by giving them direct access to markets alongside hyperlocal 3-kilometer radius weather forecast. We are developing at ISRO and tailored subsidy felicitation through NGOs and government partners. On top of that, we are building an AI best crop predictor and an image based disease detector, all delivered by our AI call agent over a simple phone call on a basic device like Nokia 3310. Yes, everything from marketplace to prediction works without a smartphone or internet. Now, our AI call agent will guide you through each feature, clear, simple, and built for every farmer.
Kisan Verse Assistant, how can I help?
Weather weather prediction for next week.
Okay. The weather forecast for Kerala shows temperatures around 28 to 32 degrees Celsius with high humidity and likely rain this week.
Any crop suggestion for my 4-acre land?
Considering the forecast for Kerala, crops like rubber or coconut that handle humidity well could be suitable. For seasonal options, maybe ginger or turmeric, but check your specific soil health first. Is there anything else?
No, thanks.
Okay, goodbye.
Wow. So now the farmer can know what to grow, when to grow, and how to protect it.
किसान वर्ष सहाय्यक कशी मदत करू शकतो?
माझ्यासाठी कोणतीही सबसिडी योजना आहे का?
तुमच्यासाठी काही योजना उपलब्ध आहेत. 1. महाबीज बियाणे अनुदान 50% अनुदान. 2. मुख्यमंत्री सिंचन योजना 75% अनुदान. तुम्हाला अधिक माहिती हवी आहे का?
हे योजना साठी चालतील का?
होय. या योजना साधारणपणे ऊस सारख्या अनेक हंगामी पिकांसाठी लागू होतात. परंतु पात्रतेचे विशिष्ट तपशील तपासावे लागतील.
तुमचे धन्यवाद.
ठीक आहे.
So now the farmer will never miss a subsidy. They'll be informed of the latest schemes directly through calls, even without internet connection, leaving no one behind.
किसानवर्ष सहायक, मैं कैसे मदद कर सकता हूँ?
मुझे गेहूं बेचना है.
जरूर, कृपया बेचने के लिए गेहूं की मात्रा, किलो में, और प्रति किलो कीमत बताएं।
100 किलो गेहूं 20 रुपए प्रति किलो के हिसाब से.
धन्यवाद। आपकी 100 किलो गेहूं की लिस्टिंग 20 रुपये प्रति किलो के हिसाब से सफलतापूर्वक बना दी गई है। आईडी है SIMLIST 1009।
क्या मेरा गेहूं बिक गया? क्या मेरा पैसा आ गया?
हाँ, लिस्टिंग SIMLIST 1009 पूरी हो गई है और भुगतान सफलतापूर्वक आपके खाते में भेज दिया गया है।
A full marketplace where every farmer can sell directly to buyers, get fair contracts, and even access subsidies, all through a simple phone call. Inclusive by design, this platform works no matter where you are, with and without internet.
So this is the farmer dashboard that we have created. This dashboard will be usually used by the admins and the organizations who are managing the subsidies and the marketplace and the users logged into their app. So this is our dashboard. This is the second page where all the subsidies will load. These subsidies can be added by the organization or by the government. As you can see, we can add new subsidies here. I added the last subsidy here. Then we come to the marketplace where we have all the listings of the crops. These listings are made by the farmers and those listings have been viewed here. So the admin can view, delete or cancel them as per his choice. He can also view the details of the listing and see what bids have been made here. Then we come to the users directly where we can see different users that have been logged on. And these are the users. We can do any of these. We can also view the profile of the user or we can even delete the user. So yes, these are the features. Coming to our next feature is your calling logs, where we can see what all calls are made by the farmer to the organizations and all. So we have the logs, call logs here with necessary details about them. And lastly, we come to the system logs where the changes to the system have been made. So this is the admin dashboard that we have created for the farmers.